Well, today we got 20 new batteries to go into our solar array. We bought these Vision Group 12 volt, says 420 watts. I think they're around 120 amp hours if I'm not mistaken. Got them at a real deal because I used to be a battery wholesaler. Bought them wholesale and sold them retail. Going to put all these in our array here and see if we can't improve the situation. We're going to be taking out these old Trojans. They're about 8 years old, and so their life cycle is over. We had 8, we're down to 4 because the 4 of them had gotten bad. But there they are. Took a while, but you can see that I put them together red to red, black to black, all the way from the top to the bottom. There's 6 on the bottom and there's 6 on that stand right there. And I have them running on 3 different charge controllers here. This one, and this one. These are panels 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. And I'm going to take my old Harbor Freight 30 watt panel, 2 15 watt panels out, and use them just to charge like a trolling motor battery. There you have it. Have it hooked up to my inverter, and we use it to run the pumps in here and different things. We're trying to fix it so that if we could sell power back to the utility company, and or in a worst case scenario we could actually power some of our circuits in the house. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 12, 25, so that's quite a bit of amp hours right there. I hope that's helpful to all of you. That's 1500 amp hours, so maybe it could actually serve to run our refrigerator and our freezer and some lights in the event that we had a total power outage and we needed to use the inverter there to connect to the house. And we can do it by, there we go, running from that inverter back over into one of these plugs, and that goes back into one leg into our house. So there you have it, an updated solar system, 12 new batteries, 125 amp hours each, 1500 total amp hours of reserve capacity. Leave us a comment if you have some suggestions or you know something about solar systems. We'd really appreciate it. Hit the like and subscribe button, share with a friend. Thanks, God bless you, and have a great day.